Hey friends, so if you've been following me, you know I am extremely excited about the month of July. And do you know why? Because I just found out that July is National Pickle Month. Yep, that's right. I knew November 14th was National Pickle Day, but I had no idea there was an entire month dedicated to pickles, and I am so excited. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love anything pickles. And I thought it would be fun to share some recipes with you for the month of July that are all pickle related. I'll probably be doing a few videos and just sharing some recipes, or just some just links to some vlogs of some recipes, and maybe just some FYI information regarding pickles, how they might be good for you or anything like that. So it'll be all about pickles. But anyway, there'll be other things thrown into. It's not going to be all about pickles. But today I am making a recipe that I found, and unfortunately I thought when I printed it out the author of this was on here, and it's not. So what I will do is when I go to edit this video, I will put it across the bottom of the screen who it is, so I want to make sure they get credit for this, and I'll also link the actual recipe in the description box so you can go check them out. This is called Skinny Dilly Pickle Fries. I am changing it up just a little bit because it calls for russet potatoes, and I only had the red potatoes on hand, so I'm going to be using that. And I'm also going to be putting them in the air fryer instead of the oven, but other than that, I'm going to go ahead and follow the recipe. So the ingredients are russet potatoes, but like I said, I'm using some red potatoes, olive oil, salt, garlic, onion powder, coriander, mustard, that dry yellow mustard, lemon juice, and of course, fresh dill. So I am excited. I think it's gonna turn out good. I really do. I'm excited. So let's go ahead, turn the camera down, and we will get started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this into thin slices, like fries, I guess. I have like a slicer, but I don't think I'm gonna try to do it with my knife. I think that'll work. They look like French fries, don't they? I'm excited for this. I can't wait. Cannot wait. Okay, so I've cut up 2 potatoes. I think that's all I'm gonna need. I was gonna do 3, but I think 2 is plenty for what we're doing. But you obviously don't have to stop at 2. Oops, sorry. And I went ahead and mixed up my ingredients already. I just put them in the bowl here. Basically, I just used a teaspoon of everything except for the dill weed. I did 4 teaspoons. We're gonna go ahead, whoops, before I do that, I'm gonna take some olive oil. I'm going to just pour olive oil over there. There we go. And then I'm gonna add in my lemon juice. Oh my goodness, friends, I have another recipe here that I'm looking at, and it was for dill pickle pasta, and I started reading the wrong recipe. Oh goodness, thank goodness I caught myself. So we're gonna go ahead and add in some lemon juice. There we go. Now I'm gonna add in my ingredients. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hands. It's a lot easier. Oh, I can smell it already. Yum. Oh. Oh. Mmm. Yeah, that's me making all those noises. Oh, great. Look at that, friends. Look. All right, I'm going to go ahead, clean this up real quick, move the air fryer over and get them in the air fryer. Okay, my friends, so I have my potatoes here. And I'm going to go ahead and spread these out. Try to get them as spread out as possible. They smell good. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my air fryer. I'm gonna put it on 375 for 10 minutes, and then we're going to flip them and put them in for about another 6 to 8 minutes. We'll check it at that point. Okay, my friends, 10 minutes is up, and let's see how we're doing. I can tell you it smells really good. Definitely need to go back in. Yum. I cannot wait to try this. I hope I'm not disappointed. I am very excited. All right, I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna go for about 6 minutes, and then I'm gonna check it at that 6-minute mark. Went the wrong way. Okay, we'll check it in 6. All right, my friends, it is done. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That was just the right amount of time. Just the right amount of time. Look at that. Yum, yum. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up. I did get myself a little bit of ranch dressing, and I think that's gonna be really good. So let's plate it up, and then we'll give it a taste test. All right, my friends, so here it is. Let's give it a taste test. I'm gonna try it without the dip first, and then we'll try it. They're very, very good. They don't taste pickly to me, but I like them. They're very good. Very good. I'm not really tasting the pickle in these, to be honest with you, but I really like the flavor a lot, a whole lot. And it's even good with the ranch. Friends, this is a must try. They are really, really good. I'm not really tasting pickle, but that's okay because I like them a lot. So, pickle fail, but French fry. Alright, my friends, so that'll do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I do think next time I make them, and there will be a next time, I'm going to use the russet potatoes because that's what it called for. And they are a different potato, and I'm just curious to see if it's going to taste different. But I'm telling you, using the red potatoes, they really were delicious. I really, really thought they were good. So friends, thanks again for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, because I'm trying to grow my channel and I'm getting closer and closer. I'm working my way up to that 1,000 subscribers. And when I do hit 1,000, we're gonna have a really big giveaway. So friends, thanks again. And also check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and Twitter as well. I love hearing from you all. If you have any questions, or if there's something a recipe that you want me to try, go ahead and leave it in the description box below. So friends, thanks so much, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.